Philippines, baby. Let's go! New character. Guys, naiba yung lighting, guys. Parang lalo siyang sumarap.
Chinita. First, first girlfriend ko siya na chinita.
Guys, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung BGC talaga. Ina natin siya. Mga expats and then doggies with their doggies in stroller. You know. Now, hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we are gonna start a new travel series. Yay! So sa video na to, we are gonna spend 24 hours sa Manila. So currently nandito ako sa LAX. Originally sa Austin ako, diba? So hindi ko na document my journey to Austin. Ito yung, to LAX. Ito yung layover natin. Yeah, so kung bago kayo sa channel ko, welcome. And ako ay isang Filipino immigrant, and it's gonna be my fourth time coming home since pumunta ako dito, nag-move ako dito sa US. And last kong umuwi was 2024. So sa mga kababayan natin or anyone that's tuning in na wants to visit Philippines, just so you know, mayroong mga travel requirements if you're a US citizen or anyone. You need to fill out eTravelGov, lagay ko dito. Para siyang QR code na declaration. So just fill out with your information, and yeah, it's so easy, but you need to fill it out within 72 hours na or ng arrival mo. And so yun, tapos kwento ko sa inyo anong nangyari. Kanina medyo maaga naman ako umalis, siguro mga 2 hours before my flight. Tapos dumating ako ng airport around like an hour and a half before my flight. And yeah, so I didn't expect there were so many people sa airport. So parang 40 minutes akong nag-check-in. So mutik na tayong naiwan. But yeah, now we're finally here, and it's currently 9 o'clock and medyo gutom na ako. So I'm gonna look for food kasi 12:30 pa flight natin. And di ko na kayo isama. Hanap lang ako ng pagkain, tapos chill lang muna. Tapos I'll update you sa journey to Manila, kasi yung main video natin is 24 hours in Manila. And also I'm gonna document my flight sa Philippine Airlines kasi it's my first time flying with Philippine Airlines sa long haul flights. Yeah, and I've heard mixed reviews. So samahan niyo ako, and hopefully mag-enjoy kayo sa video. It's good to see you guys. Philippines, baby. Let's go! Hello!
Hello, nice to meet you.
Sorry, hindi ako walang video. Hello! Hi guys, we're finally here dito sa Pinas. Sobrang tagal ng flight. I don't know if y'all can hear me kasi sobrang ingay. But yeah, we're here at NAIA, Terminal 1. This is Sharina. I don't know if you new character. STK. Yay! Yeah, I didn't expect the flight was like 14 hours long. I think it's like the longest flight I've been in. Kasi, sakit sa puwet. Kasi nung Japan, I think like 12 hours straight. Mga 10 hours, 11 hours. No. Never been to, last time LA. Yeah, that was long too. Yeah, I think this is the longest. And Pal was a treat. Maganda yung Pal. Shout out kay Tita Monet. Ate Monet pala. Flight attendant ng Pal. Wait na lang kami ng Grab. So, tapos kakain na kami. Update ko kayo. Tiyang guys, room tour. Dito tayo sa City Flats BGC. Ito siya. Late lang pala. Yan. My TV. My bed. And then, there's a cabinet dito. That's my kitchenette siya, guys. There's a fridge. Mura lang to, guys. I think mga $30 per night lang to. Di ba, babe? And then, this is the bathroom. Dito maliligo?
Oh, yeah.
Dito din? Ah, hindi. Or dito. And then this. Lights. Ito maganda dito guys kasi separate yung shower tsaka yung toilet. So kung tatae yung isa, pwede pa mag-shower. And so may bidet sila guys. Oh. Wow, may bidet. Yan. Hi babe. So freshen up muna tayo. Hello guys, nakapag-freshen up na kami. Yan. Ako lang pala. Guys, itong hotel pala na book namin to sa Agoda. Tama?
Yeah,
How much is it per night, babe? $30? Mga $30. So, mga nasa 1.6 siguro siya per night. Or you can book it sa Klook and use my promo code, Nestor. Tapos, speed test natin, guys. Speed test natin. Check natin kung mabilis ba yung internet. 50 megabits per second. 60, nagsi-60 siya. Okay na rin. Pang TikTok niya tsaka pang IG. Tapos, panood niya ng episode ko sa YouTube. Char. Tapos, guys, now na magsisimula ang 24 hours in Manila! So, yung first order of business natin is kakain tayo sa isang sikat na restaurant. Anong tawag na restaurant, babe? Manam. Why is it called Manam?
I don't know.
Kasi, ano siya? Nag-research ako. Nakita ko lang. Pag i-google mo, ito yung makikita mo. In short siya ng malinamnam. Yan, may natutunan tayo. So, excited. Isa daw. Update ko kayo. Lakad lang kami kasi walking distance lang dito kung saan kami nagstay dito sa BGC. First time natin magstay sa BGC, guys. So, sulit na din dito. Yan yung room. Hindi ko na tour masyado kanina kasi nagmadali ako. May fridge pala. May sink dito. Daming mga cabinet space. Ewan ko para saan to. Hindi mo ata kailangan cabinet space kung hotel ka dito. Tapos ganun lang yung ano nila. Tapos yun yung wifi oh. Sa taas. Yan. Update ka kayo. Guys, fake news pala. Di kami pupunta ng Manam. Sa ano pala, sa pinsan ni Manam, kay George. George and Onis kami pupunta. Isang Filipino ano din. So now we're currently walking dito sa gabi sa BGC. Tapos yun. Tapos wow. Very safe. Tapos, I didn't know they have St. Luke's here. St. Luke's sabi nila, ano daw, one of the top, ano? World's best hospital. Top one sa Philippines, and I don't doubt it. Kasi maganda talaga, world class yung, ano nila, treatment, yung facilities nila and stuff. So, yun siya guys. So BGC, I think it's like business district to, di ba? Yeah. Walk. Wow. Guys, first street crossing dito sa ano. Tachang. George and Onis. First time natin guys, so Filipino food din. Filipino restaurant. Look. Tachang. They got takeout stuff. Baka mabukas. Ito yung menu guys. Just pause it if you guys wanna see it. Decent na yung price. So what we got is chicharron bulaklak, regular. And then what else was that? Kare-kare. And then pork sisig. And then laing. Let's go.
Isang diretsyo lang yun.
This is
Kaya
ano,
siya
guys.
Kaya siya lahat.
Ito, chicharron bulaklak. And then there's sisig. Sa laing guys. And then garlic fried rice. Guys, naiba yung lighting guys. Parang lalo siyang sumarap. Wow. Cha-chang.
Iba talaga pamilya dito sa...
And we have the kare-kare, guys. Sarang bulaklak. Cheers.
Gusto ka, babe?
Hmm.
So, savory na yung food.
Thank you. Sarap ito.
Yeah.
Oh, happy Father's Day pala, guys. Sa mga papa. Sa mga sugar daddy. Sa mga papa.
Ay, anong lasa yung ano nila, no? Kare-kare?
O, diba?
Hindi siya yung bland.
Oo. As in talaga. Ito din yung for yung best seller.
Talaga?
Oo, yun o. First time nag-video.
Nagpa-ano ako nun? Anong tawag doon? Nagpa 24/7 ako kasi crush ko din si Kim Chiu. Crush na crush ko si Kim Chiu dati.
Kasi may tumal sa Chinita.
Chinita. First girlfriend ko siya na Chinita.
Ako lang yung naging girlfriend ni Tinita.
O, diba? Okay. Big eye.
Yung
Big eye.
for me, Americana. Pure
Sa-
siya, babe.
Pure.
Pure, oh.
Sa Costa Bisaya pa, budlat. Budlat yung malaki mata. In fairness masarap siya. Yung sisig, sisig nila guys. Crispy. Literal na crispy.
Guys, this is the high street. Cha-chang! What does high street mean? Like the social part? Ah. Guys, it's Sunday at 10:30 sa gabi and there's still so many people. Tas kakaulan lang, di ba? I thought they have Target, babe. Din tayo pong... Tapos, ano dito? Oh, theater. Guys, so, Trina said that mas maganda daw dito pag Christmas. So, balik na tayo pag Christmas. Magastos din. Yeah, it's kind of underwhelming right now because everything's kind of like closed. So, bukas, early in the morning, me and Kay are gonna walk around here to get brunch or coffee. Thus, it should be different than how it is now. So, yeah, they kind of like shut down the lights na. So, mag-11 na din. So, update ka na lang kayo. Lakad lang muna kami.
Ay, yung December, baby, yun yung maganda.
Daming
no? Kasi
busking.
maraming sa uptown. Parang nasa side ba? Parang
Bike na tayo dito bukas, guys. Mayroon silang Olive Garden na. Look. So, tomorrow na lang, umaga, bago tayo, So, as review namin sa Georgian Onis, out of 10, how much? Georgian Onis? 7? Ikaw? 8. Ako mga 8.2. 8.2. Siguro, siya, mas masarap siya kung gutom talaga ako na gutom. Kasi napasubo na ako ng tubig eh. Yung timing na kakain ka sa 7 o'clock yung pagtingkain. Try nyo guys, yung best seller nila is kare-kare tsaka, ano yung isa sabi niya? Sisig. Crispy sisig. Try nyo. Pero mapapa-order talaga kayo ng rice. Tapos yung large nila guys, hindi daw large. Fake news na, fake news. Isang taong gutom lang daw yung large nila. In fairness, masarap yung sinamak nila. Masarap yung yung suka nila. Try nyo guys. Kung pwede kayo magbaon ng suka guys, try nyo. Georgian Onis. Tapos next time naman magmamanams tayo. Guys, saan na tayo? Uptown?
Uptown.
Oh, guys, this is another part of BGC. It's like Uptown. Ganda. Look, it's called Landers. Ano siya? Parang SNR or Costco. Social. Yeah. It's like a castle. Parang Hall of Justice, no?
Oo. Parang DOJ.
Parang DOJ. Tapos yeah, it's Pride Month. Guys, I think I like this better than High Street. Kasi yung high street guys, nagtitipid sila ng kuryente. So, over here is like, I think people can pay. Yeah, they even have the lights still on. Yeah.
Clubbing.
This is the clubbing district. Yeah. Wow. Ito guys, oh. Mega World pala siya? Or itong mall, Uptown Mall. Uptown Mall, cha-chang! Uptown Parade. Oh! Are we going here? Okay. Oh, this is the hole?
Yeah.
Guys, butas daw guys. So now we're here at the butas, the hole of BGC. Kasi it connects BGC to the outside world daw. Yeah. Kasi yung, di ba yung BGC guys, like if you notice, para siyang the domain. The domain sa Texas or parang mga socialens na district, business district. Ah! Oh, it really does say access for pedestrians only. Ah, tas yeah. Oh, ibang ano na siya. Wow. Okay, gets ko na. Parang mas trip ko to dito. Yeah.
Tapos na yung tricycles going to Guadalupe.
Ah. Mas trip ko to dito, guys. Kasi dito tayo makakabili ng ano, yung turo-turo. Turo-turo na barbecue. Ah. Bike today because bukas. Ah. Ano may street food ay ano, merong street food do? May cash ka, babe? Tata. Ingatan yan, guys. May ano, street food yun. Siomai? Siomai, guys. Star siomai. Pero next time, balik na dito next time. So ito na yung butas, guys. Oh, so it makes sense na people will come here kasi may eatery din, di ba? Like eatery here. Reggie's. Lizel's. Yeah. Yeah. It makes sense, guys, na like if you work at BGC and you have no choice tapos you can't afford the rent kasi ang mahal ng rent, I think just crossing the hole would make a lot of difference sa rent. 100%. 100%. Same with the domain. Kasi dun sa amin din, dun ako nagtatrabaho sa domain for a couple years. Tapos, domain is literally like this. Parang business district, mga social, mga ganun. Tas, may mga apartments dun. So, the apartments cost like parang $2,000, studio lang, $2,000 ang studio. And then, nag-rent ako like 10 minutes away from the domain. Parang sobrang mura. Like, very big difference. Yeah. So, I think ganito yung concept ng butas, guys. I mean, it's not a concept, pero parang ganun lang talaga. That's how it is.
Yan guys, good morning. Ano na tayo, hindi na tayo nakapag-update kahapon kasi gabi na. So, mag-morning coffee muna kami. But ito yung ano namin sa view namin sa hotel. Sa room namin. Baba muna kami. Let's go to a coffee shop. Let's show you guys the BGC in the morning. Yung Manila, guys.
So guys, nagbalik na lang ng shirt. Saan tayo? Yeah, dito. Doon papunta. Ano kami ng coffee sa Harlan and Holden. Nadaanan natin to kahapon. Pero gabi na, di ba? So, I'm gonna show you guys sa umaga. Ayan. A lot of like high-rise and mid-rise buildings. Tapos, ano na, hustle and bustle na. Kasi it's a Monday. It's a Monday, so people are working. Oo. Yeah. Guys, so kahapon, they went to a coffee shop. Tapos, nag-enjoy sila masyado. Di sila nakabayad.
Oy, pero pinalikan namin.
Binalikan nila, tapos nagbayad sila. Outstanding citizens. So, yung pupuntahan namin na coffee shop, ang tawag nito ay Harlan and Holden.
So it's a chain coffee shop. Tapos malapit lang siya sa coffee shop na hindi nila binayaran. Na pangalan Cooper's. Let's check that out mamaya. Tapos ito yung outfit namin. Binalik ko na lang yung damit ko kasi
Ininahan
Ah.
niya kayo guys.
wala naman hindi masyado ako pinawisan kagabi. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah. Daming buildings guys, oh.
Crazy. Reginana. Okay ba nang tanawon pa ka pero abot gidangin na wala yung tao. Patay ko po.
Yeah. Guys, so parang ano talaga siya, guys. So BGC, it's actually my second time coming to BGC. So the last time was like 12 years ago. And dami na talagang nagbago. Wala pa masyado yung high-rise buildings dito. Ang dami na talaga, oh, as in. Tapos sobrang like so loud. Meron sila mga art installations din dito, mga little parks. Wow. So, nasa High Street na tayo guys. This is the Bonifacio High Street na area sa BGC. Meron silang art installation dito from the Game of Thrones. I don't watch Game of Thrones pero yun, may head of the dragon dito sa gitna ng High Street. Galing. Because we were here last night, we were walking, di ba? And then the lights were off. So, ito siya, itsura sa umaga. So, first order of business is coffee. Hindi na kami mag-brunch guys, doon na kami mag-lunch sa NAIA. So, we've decided na we're going to, anong tawag na coffee shop yun? Cooper's. So, Cooper's na lang kami, kung saan sila hindi nagbayad kahapon. Tapos, daanan natin yung Harlan and Holden. Di pa pala siya bukas. Halos. Dito yung Cooper's. May BBQ chicken din sila. Pero sobrang aga pa kasi guys. So wala pang tao. So siguro mamaya puno-puno na to. 7 AM pa. Magsi-7 pa. Yeah.
So we decided to go here sa Hamlet Coffee guys. So she's ordering. What are you getting?
For in brown sugar latte or kalimutan for wait lang.
Okay, I got the pandan latte. So looks like pandan. So
Flat white, short, dark milk.
oh, you can actually use your own cup. You can use your own cup.
Kuha naman yung coffee guys. Malit lang pala. What did you order?
Short man gud mo. Murag Madagascar, Madagascar.
Ah.
Vanilla bean shepherd.
I got pandan latte. Yeah, dito na kami sa labas. Yan yung setup namin. Cheers, cheers. Okay lang guys. Daming nagja-jog dito. As in, sobra. Daming tao. It's a Monday morning. Daming tao. I think they're all going to work. There's some way. We have to hurry up kasi maaga kami sa airport. 7:20. Yeah, we have to meet Charina din. Para ano. Oh, shout out to Charina. Thank you for last night showing us BGC. Next time ulit.
Tour guide. Siya ang tour guide every time na tao sa naibagong weekend.
Yeah. So, next time ulit. Busin mo namin to, tapos hanap po kami ng isang coffee shop. Guys, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung BGC talaga in a nutshell. Ito, mga expats and then doggies with their, as doggies in stroller. Dami nila. So, we've been sitting here for like almost an hour, I think. And then, daming mga tao with their dogs, tapos they're just walking. Kasi yan yun yung na-remember ko dati na Like people would just walk their dogs here. And then, yeah, it's a very pet-friendly area. So if ever punta kayo, hindi pa kayo nakapunta ng BGC, this is what it looks like. Or this is what you're gonna see commonly. Hustle and bustle. And stuff. They're playing with their dogs. Guys, so we're here sa second coffee shop. It's called Cooper's Coffee House. So, we're gonna just need to go. Bigay kami ng coffee ni Charif.
Ube latte or dirty ube?
Which one's better? Which one's better? Ube latte or dirty?
Non-coffee ang ube latte. With coffee latte kasi.
Oh yeah, dirty ube na lang. Yeah.
Dali isang dirty ube. Yeah, and one matcha.
Okay. So we're getting dirty ube and then matcha latte. Dito siya sa may High Chicks and Steaks. Yeah. Same nando siya ng may-ari. So, yeah. Guys, so balik na tayo sa sa hotel room natin. And na-try ko na yung kakanin. So Tita Parins binili ni ni Kay. Thank you Kay for remembering kasi pinicture namin to sa pinicture parang na-mention to ni Peewee sa episode namin sa podcast. And meron ding bibingka Manila. Ito. This one. Look what's inside. Wow. Try natin yan. So, ano ko muna to? Let me try this real quick. Dirty ube from Cooper's. Yan yung in-order natin kanina. So guys, nagmamadali kami kasi I have to go to the airport. And I think I'm gonna end this vlog, short lang na episode ito. But, stay tuned for the next episode kasi magsisimula tayo ng isang bagong travel series. Right, abangan. But anyways guys, so if you like my videos, feel free to follow and subscribe para ma-notify kayo may bago tayong video. And hanggang sa muli, take care and don't forget to take care of someone. Bye!